In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take out your light switch on a 2000 to 2005 Volkswagen Jetta. It's very simple, very easy. Same with this, your dimmer for your dash. Now, what you want to do is you want to, as you're turning, you want to push in. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll do it again. As it's in the off position, so it's your day runners. You want to push in, over, so the light comes on. Pull out. I've already replaced mine, but you got a clip here, and a clip here. So what you want to do is you just want to push them in. And there you go. It is out. Now to put it back in, it's the same thing. Just like any other connector on your car. Push until you hear a click. Make sure it's very well clicked. Make sure your dash lights and all your lights come back on. Then it really only goes in one way, unless you want to bend your wires. In common sense, you see how you take it out before you take it out. And then you push in. But before you release that button, if you want to replace this too, take it out, paint it, anything like that. Same thing. 2 clips on each side. Then you can take it out and paint it, replace it. But make sure it works. As you can see, mine does. And then, same thing. Push it in. Push it in, and then you just turn it back. That's how you replace your light switch. Now, if you want to replace the whole kit, which I believe is like 50 to 100 bucks, comes with this, and everything you see here. Push in. Now, there's going to be an Allen right there. And from my knowledge, that is the only one. Yes, that is the only one to take that out. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe.